Welcome to our Entrepreneur's Corner. Today, we have an exciting exploration ahead as we dive into the fascinating world of AI in business, improving productivity and optimizing processes. Join us on this journey as we delve into the key aspects and provide you with valuable information and guidance. Introduction. In today's fast-paced business landscape, AI in business has emerged as a critical topic with immense importance and relevance. Understanding how artificial intelligence can enhance productivity and optimize processes is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for entrepreneurs, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we will shed light on the power of AI, its impact on various industries, and the actionable insights you can apply to drive success. Main objectives of the video: uncover the potential of AI in boosting business productivity. Explore how AI can optimize processes and streamline operations. Showcase real-world examples of successful AI implementations. Part 1. Harnessing the power of AI in business. The first part of our journey takes us into the realm of harnessing the power of AI in business. We will delve into the various AI technologies driving this transformation, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. By understanding the core principles of these technologies, you'll grasp their immense potential to revolutionize decision-making processes and drive efficiency across diverse industries. AI-driven technologies like machine learning algorithms enable businesses to analyze vast amounts of data to make informed decisions. Natural language processing, on the other hand, allows machines to understand and interpret human language, which is essential for customer service, sentiment analysis, and chatbot interactions. Additionally, predictive analytics empowers businesses to anticipate trends, identify potential risks, and optimize resource allocation. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can gain a competitive edge, identify opportunities, and respond to market changes more effectively. The ability to process and analyze data at scale opens up new possibilities for product innovation, targeted marketing, and personalized customer experiences. Recommended books for Part 1. Prediction Machines: The Simple Economics of Artificial Intelligence by Ajay Agrawal, Joshua Gans, and Avi Goldfarb. This book provides a clear and accessible explanation of the economics of AI, helping readers understand how AI can improve decision-making and shape business strategies. The 100-Page Machine Learning Book by Andrei Burkov. For a comprehensive yet concise guide to machine learning concepts, this book is highly recommended. It covers fundamental algorithms and applications of AI in a practical manner. Part 2. Streamlining Operations with AI. In Part 2, we'll focus on how AI is revolutionizing process optimization in businesses. From automating repetitive tasks to identifying patterns and anomalies in data, AI is transforming the way companies operate. We'll explore how industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are leveraging AI-driven solutions to achieve cost savings, faster turnaround times, and improved customer satisfaction. One of the critical areas where AI has made significant strides is in supply chain management. AI-powered systems can predict demand patterns, optimize inventory levels, and ensure timely deliveries, reducing overall costs and enhancing efficiency. In manufacturing, AI-driven robotics and automation lead to streamlined production processes and higher precision. Customer service has also witnessed a significant transformation with the integration of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These smart agents can handle routine customer queries round the clock, provide personalized responses, and escalate complex issues to human agents when necessary. As a result, businesses can improve customer support, reduce response times, and enhance overall customer experience. Furthermore, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time enables businesses to make data-driven decisions promptly. For example, predictive maintenance using AI can help companies anticipate equipment failures, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Recommended books for Part 2. The Lean Product Playbook: How to Innovate with Minimum Viable Products and Rapid Customer Feedback by Dan Olson. While not directly about AI, this book provides insights into lean methodologies that can complement AI-driven process optimization, helping businesses achieve efficiency and innovation. Applied Artificial Intelligence: A Handbook for Business Leaders by Maria Yao, Adeline Zhou, and Marlene Jia. This comprehensive guide provides practical insights on applying AI to real-world business scenarios, with a focus on optimizing operations and driving business growth. Part 3. Enhancing Customer Experience Through AI. Customer experience is paramount in the modern business landscape, and AI plays a pivotal role in enhancing it. In Part 3, we'll dive into AI-powered customer service solutions, personalized recommendations, and chatbots that provide round-the-clock support. By understanding how AI can create seamless and tailored customer interactions, you'll gain valuable insights to strengthen your own customer relationships. AI-driven customer service solutions leverage natural language processing and machine learning to understand customer inquiries and provide relevant responses. These smart systems can handle routine customer queries, freeing up human agents to focus on complex and high-value interactions. Moreover, AI plays a significant role in delivering personalized customer experiences. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can predict individual preferences and behaviors, enabling businesses to offer tailored product recommendations and personalized marketing campaigns. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement, increases brand loyalty, and ultimately drives sales. In the e-commerce industry, AI-powered product recommendation engines have proven highly effective in increasing conversion rates and average order value. By displaying relevant product suggestions based on individual browsing and purchase history, businesses can create a more engaging and customized shopping experience. Chatbots have also become a ubiquitous presence in customer service, providing instant responses and 24/7 support. The ability of chatbots to handle routine inquiries efficiently not only improves customer satisfaction, but also helps businesses cut down on customer service costs. Recommended books for Part 3. AI for Marketing and Product Innovation, Powerful New Tools for Predicting Trends, Connecting with Customers, and Closing Sales by A.K. Pradeep. This book explores how AI is transforming marketing and customer experience, helping businesses build stronger connections with their target audience. Human plus Machine, Reimagining Work in the Age of AI by Paul R. Daugherty and H. James Wilson. A must-read for those interested in the intersection of AI and customer experience, this book examines how AI-human collaboration can lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and business success. Part 4. Ethics and Responsible AI Implementation. As we progress into Part 4, we must address the ethical implications of AI implementation. Responsible AI usage is essential to ensure fairness, transparency, and inclusivity. We'll discuss the importance of AI ethics, potential biases, and how businesses can prioritize ethical considerations when deploying AI solutions. The widespread adoption of AI technologies raises ethical concerns surrounding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and potential job displacement. As businesses integrate AI into their operations, it becomes crucial to establish guidelines for ethical AI development and deployment. To ensure the ethical use of AI, businesses must prioritize data privacy and security. Customer data, in particular, must be handled responsibly, adhering to relevant regulations and safeguarding against potential data breaches. Algorithmic bias is another critical ethical consideration. AI systems learn from data, and if that data contains biases, it can lead to discriminatory outcomes. To address this, businesses should implement robust testing and validation processes to identify and mitigate biases in AI algorithms. Moreover, transparency in AI decision-making is essential for building trust with customers and stakeholders. Businesses should strive to make AI decisions explainable and understandable, enabling users to comprehend the rationale behind recommendations and outcomes. AI's potential impact on the workforce is also a significant ethical concern. While AI can automate tasks and improve efficiency, it can also lead to job displacement. Responsible AI implementation involves considering the social and economic consequences and exploring opportunities for upskilling and reskilling employees to adapt to a changing landscape. Recommended books for Part 4. The Age of AI, Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Humanity by Jason Thacker. This book explores the ethical challenges and moral implications of AI, guiding readers to approach AI implementation with ethical discernment and social responsibility. Weapons of Math Destruction: How Big Data Increases Inequality and Threatens Democracy by Kathy O'Neill. While not specific to AI, this book delves into the ethical implications of algorithms and big data, shedding light on the importance of addressing biases and promoting fairness in AI applications. Closing. To recap, AI in business, improving productivity and optimizing processes, opens up new opportunities for growth and efficiency across industries. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can make data-driven decisions, streamline operations, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Remember, the journey of understanding AI is ongoing, and we encourage you to continue exploring this transformative technology. Take advantage of the recommended resources to deepen your knowledge and apply AI effectively in your business endeavors. Now is the time for you to share your thoughts and questions. Let's continue the conversation in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on various topics. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep innovating and using AI for a brighter future in business.